different forms of light. You might put shades on an object and it might ground the object. You might put light on an object and it makes the object pop. Right? You might put a diagonal line on a page and then all of a sudden that image looks three-dimensional. So
the Jeff Richards Show.
Oh. It was right when you had just started SNL and Bill Murray.
Feld. Name like that must have toughened your nipples.
It was rough when growing up with that.
What is sound? It has amplitude, it has frequency, it has velocity, it has acceleration, it has momentum.
Your forehead, and it is starting to develop. Is there something?
But let's not get off track.
No.
It's okay, because
Yeah. All right, man. Yeah. You like nutting your butt?
I like nutting my butter.
Let me ask you that. Was it easier having been?
You ready to? You want to plug?
Why don't you go sit on a pile of beef and shove it up your ass? Why don't you?
David Attenborough.
No.
Boy, killing it for you, boy, killing it.